Hello everyone, welcome to this video from the Math King channel. In this video we are going to find the value of this expression. If you are ready, let's solve it. 6 minus 1 equals 5, and again inside the parentheses 6 minus 1 equals 5. In the end, 5 times 5 equals 25. But this answer is not correct, because we did not follow one of the most important rules in mathematics called the order of operations. This rule tells us that when we face a mathematical expression, we cannot start solving it from wherever we want. Rather, we must follow a specific order and proceed step by step to reach the correct final answer. The order of operations is known by the short acronym called the PEMDAS. In fact, PEMDAS is like a map for mathematical expressions that if you follow it you reach the right answer. In PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses. E stands for exponents and roots. M stands for multiplication. D stands for division. A stands for addition. And S stands for subtraction. According to PEMDAS, in every mathematical expression we encounter, the first step is to evaluate the expressions inside the parentheses. In the second step, we compute expressions involving exponents and roots. Then, in the third step, we calculate multiplication and division. In the final step, we perform addition and subtraction. Note that multiplication and division have equal priority. Therefore, in any expression that contains both multiplication and division, we move from left to right, and we perform whichever operation comes first. The same rule also applies to addition and subtraction. They also have equal priority, and we perform them from left to right as well. With this explanation, let's go ahead and solve the question from the beginning of the video. But before solving it, please like this video, share it with your friends, and if you do not want to miss the next videos, subscribe to the channel. If you can also donate to support me. And if you have any questions, be sure to ask them in the comments. 6 minus 1 times 6 minus 1. In this expression, there is one subtraction, one multiplication, and one parentheses. Inside the parentheses, there is a subtraction. The multiplication is written here. In mathematics, when a number is placed next to parentheses, it means that the number is multiplied by the expression or number inside the parentheses. However, for simplicity, the multiplication sign is usually not written. Now, according to PEMDAS, in this expression we must first solve the expression inside the parentheses, then perform the multiplication, and finally do the subtraction. If we do not follow this order, we will arrive at the wrong answer. 6 minus 1 equals 5, and the expression becomes 6 minus 1 times 5, 1 times 5 equals 5, and in the end, 6 minus 5 equals 1, which is our correct final answer. Now, based on what you learned in this video, find the value of this expression and write your answer in the comments.